Here is a very impressive device which is just like a fountain, an electrical fountain. It is used to water fields, grounds and agricultural lands. It throws the water in every direction. With its rotation, it creates a very beautiful view. Here it is moving and throwing the water and all around, every direction. I think it's a very interesting device. If you want to water your resources, water your fields, your agricultural lands, your orchards and things like this, it's a very useful device. Look at it's moving and throwing the water in all around its vicinity. I saw it from very far away and I came down to see its motion, its function, and it reflects a very beautiful view. It's a very large ground and it is being watered by this simple device. Look at its rotation, its movement. This is a very large field, a grassy ground where it is used to water the grass. Here it is, you can see a vast ground, huge football ground, and its water goes up very high. Thank you so much for watching this video.